course, you and I go back to when the prep was in South Orange.
Yes.
Different campus. The move here to West Orange, that had to be challenging for you and the school. What was the motivation, and how do you think that's impacted Seton Hall Prep students?
It was a challenge, but believe it or not, I had, I think, one objection from all of our alumni in making that move, just one, which says I think that we did the right thing. And the university was getting bigger. They were building dorms, and they were becoming from more of a commuter school rather, to a residential college. So they needed more space. Women's athletics was coming in, and they needed space. So we were beginning to kind of get squeezed a little bit as far as buildings go, and as far as our use of the athletic fields and so on. So it just made sense to look for something that would give us more freedom to grow and do what we wanted to do, and it worked out well. If you look back in history, going back to the 1920s or 30s, even back then, the prep school was always looking to move out and to move into another location from the college. And nothing ever came up that was suitable. And then the time came ripe when this school that we're in now, the old West Orange High School, became available, and we were able to make a deal and to buy it. And it just opened up so many opportunities for us that we wouldn't have had we stayed in South Orange. It was a great separation, a very pleasant, you might say, separation with the university. No ill feelings or anything else. They were kind of glad to see us leave, I think, to give them some more space, but it also worked out well for both the university and the prep.
Msgr, I just want to make sure we get it on the record. I was not that one alumnus who objected to the move. Because I remember thinking, wouldn't it be great that the athletic teams at Seton Hall Prep could actually play on a field that didn't have what my dad used to call astro dirt?
Right.
Because the fields got so much use. They were literally dirt. You
they
know
were
that
dirt,
well.
yes, yeah. Yeah, the football field was dirt and broken glass and everything else. And there was it ran downhill towards Ivy Hill Park and uphill towards the parking lot. So we knew which way to take the kickoff.
The home field advantage.
Home field advantage, yeah.
And now the magnificent, beautiful Kelly Athletic Complex. It's just amazing. How has that changed the prep, the attractiveness of the school for potential students? What impact has there been?
Well, with all of our facilities, with all of our buildings, we try to keep on top, and included in that is then the athletics. And so we certainly needed fields. We have so many teams, about 16 different sports with 3 levels in each sport. So we needed the land, we needed the space, we needed to develop fields. And again, we searched and searched for many years, really, as to where we could find that opportunity to take over some land and build and develop. And it came out terrifically, really. 44 acres to develop for athletic fields. And then eventually we were able to go from turf to artificial turf, give us more use of the fields in different seasons and so on. And so it's been a great attraction. It's a beautiful setting up there. Many people will compare it to a small college setting, and that it is. And So it's certainly attractive to parents who want the best for their children nowadays as far as sports and athletics go. And it's attractive to the students themselves, imagining themselves playing on a field such as we have now. So it's helped to attract students to the school. We want to attract them, of course, for their academics and their spiritual growth, but athletics does play in the minds of many of the young people. So it certainly is a good attraction for families to come to the school. And so we've been blessed with that. So it's opened the doors for a greater athletic program for the school, greater offerings for the school.
It is beautiful, and I think it would be the envy of a lot of small colleges to have a facility like that. Msgr, let's talk about the prep today.